Well, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have 2 games. We're going to have dinner, and that's it. I need you to introduce yourself to everyone at the table. Make sure that you know everyone in your table. That's all. Very simple. Let's try out the corner. Alright, good. One big round of applause for myself. Yes! Everything in order. Yes! Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, with the same spirit is what we're going to do. We're going to invite our group general manager, Mr. Chu Wee Kian, up on the stage to say a few words. Yes, which way? Hold on, you have to tell me which table are you. Then what happened was, a 5-year-old boy came round and hit that. Guess where he hit me? We had to stop the game for 5 minutes. I have to recover. Okay, but then this is your second time, right? Okay, let's have a new rule. Same person cannot touch again. The moment you say means you've been watching TV since Channel 5 time. You run away from him?
Yes! Must touch you or not? Touch you.
I love it when you touch me. Huh? No, it's correct. So then you go to the stage and dance. Really, for the song. No, I'm serious. You have to. Come on, come on, dance. You can, man. No? Okay, no panic. You don't know that? Hope that you have came to know everyone around you, and even those who just came up to us also, I did ask them for their names so that you can recognize them and say hi to them next time. Once again, I hope I can see you another place, another time. Signing off, my name is Ravin. Take care, bye bye.